We started the reverse for Beyond Meat. Everybody talking about Beyond Meat becoming the new GameStop. We're gonna discuss it in today's video and where the price will go from there. Before we go further, guys, remember our content here for educational purposes, and we're not financial advisors, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So, first of all, let us discuss Beyond Meat. Yesterday, we already discussed Beyond Meat on our Discord, guys. If you don't know, now you know. You have to be ready for those alerts that we always do on Discord and Patreon. We discuss this dip that happened yesterday. Everybody was talking in Reddit, whatever. Everybody's like selling and kind of scared for this dip. For us in the Discord with our community, we're not scared because we know where the hotspot actually will have a reversal from. We said the first hotspot, we have three of them, but the first one was over the 249, reversed around the $2.52, and we went up almost 30% or so from this dip. Now, where the price will go from there, let me just show you what's going on. First of all, we discuss it today in our live streaming, guys. We do always every day live streaming 30 minutes before the market open. We discuss this reversal. Let me just show you what happened yesterday. We had this panic selling haltation for 2 times around this candle and that candle, and then we open up around or over the $2.50 or around the $2.63, and we reverse big time. Let me just show you the first reversal, how much we reverse. We reverse 56% in span of 1 hour. Huge volatility. Yesterday we have almost or over 1 billion worth of volume. Right now the volume is picking up. At the market open we were just 100 million. Now it's almost half a billion worth of volume. The next reversal happened after hours where everybody's sleeping, and we reverse almost 35%. And now we reverse at the market open almost 25%. You see, the volume of volatility is slowing down. The best entry from my side, actually, it was yesterday before the market closed, because here I'm already sleeping and I live here in Europe. 12 in the morning is too late for me. That's why I don't trade in after hours. I only trade during the market open and pre-market. For now, guys, we have a critical zone that we discussed in our live streaming around the $3.41. We have this level that we discussed and we took profit at around the $3.41. We warned our hunters and traders to take a little bit profit because we spotted this seller that push the price down almost 15%. That's why we always secure our profit, because this is usually the case every time the price pull back around those kind of zones. And let me just show you again one thing that Beyond Meat is like GameStop. One of the thing that suggests that is the upvoting on Reddit. Over 55,000 upvote. This is crazy, guys. I mentioned almost 3,000%. This is remind us by the time of GameStop. The same volatility, the same action, jumping 1,000% in 4 days, and we have a huge selling pressure and haltation. So we have all the ingredients of a squeezer or meme stock. This is good. However, the thing is, you have to know how to trade those stocks, because those stocks exactly like surfing a wave. If you're not experienced server, you don't go to Portugal and you're trying to ride the biggest wave in the world over there. You're gonna be dead in a few seconds because the wave is over 10 meters high. So you have to start a little bit slower and smaller wave. But for Beyond Meat, you have to be expert, or at least have like a special suit to protect you from the washing machine, what is call it, if you don't never or you never served before. Washing machine is mean you get cut inside the wave. So here, getting cut inside the wave is mean by on the top. Guess what happened after the wave crashing on you? You will never know up from down. You'll be just running around and you don't know where the oxygen, or up or down, where when you're inside the wave. So here we have to discuss how we could play this game, which is the squeeze play game. For Beyond Meat, we have a critical zone to break right now, which is the resistance. So in this scenario, we have to watch for 2 levels. First, the support to confirm. Are we gonna have another flush down? And the resistance to confirm, are we gonna have a squeeze up for Beyond Meat? So we never gonna be FOMO if the price go up on us. So now we have the $3.41 confirmed that we should break. Why we talk about this resistance? Because once we break it, we're gonna have another jump up toward other levels, which is the $3.67 and the $4, and maybe this will be the best case scenario, going at least around the $4.78, not the $5, because before we were around the $8. So many of you asking right now, are we gonna go toward the 10 or the 20? Are we gonna see the 10 or the 20? The simple answer is yes, if we held the $2.50, and no, or maybe we take a bit of time if we broke the 250, because we might go toward the 180. This is a huge drop, guys. Almost the $10 until the one. This is a huge drop, but now it's good because we're still holding over the 250, and now is about to break the $3.40. If you're watching this video, guys, will be a bit too late about this update, because I'm doing this update just 4 hours before the market close, and I'm gonna update this video or upload this video on YouTube almost 2 hours before the close. So if you want to close early update alerts, you can join us in Discord and Bitcoin in the comment section below, because over there we do short, not video. It's easier for me to upload, it's easier for me to update for you guys. Right now, while I'm doing the video, the level is been tested, and we might have the break out. So don't say, Jesus, oh, it's too late. The video, the short is, the stock is already gone to the 5. Yes, but during this video, I already did this update before the breakout. So if you want to have early updates, early alerts, be on the lookout for those breakouts. You can check our Discord invitation in the link comment section below. We always welcome new traders and new hunters with us. And of course, we always make it simple, guys. Chart. The orange line is the breakout zone. Of course, this is where we watch for entry, and we could actually have an entry near the support. So the support is really important. If we don't break it, it will be a good entry zone. And the green line is taking profit level. Of course, we have 2 or 3 levels. Is mean we always take profit like 50% at the first level, then we cut our we lower our risk by taking other percentage higher. This is how we stay safe from unusual activity from the short sellers, because the short sellers is waiting for shorting the stock like this. They love it because there's a lot of liquidity, there's a lot of opportunity for them to make money. However, so far so good, because Beyond Meat it just jumped in 4 days, so there's a chance to continue at least for a few weeks or few months if we're still holding the critical zone that we discussed early in this video. In the meantime, guys, don't forget to subscribe in order to be notified once we go live and once we upload our videos. And again, guys, we have almost 60% of people who watching our video not subscribers. This is big number. So make sure, if you're one of them, make sure to subscribe and support the channel. And thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow.